Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your rewards account with Hilton Honors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your rewards account with Hilton Honors, start by visiting the official Hilton Honors website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you remember your password but need to reset other account details, enter your email and password to log in. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. You will be directed to a password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your Hilton Honors account. Check your inbox for an email from Hilton containing password reset instructions. Follow the link provided in the email. You will be prompted to create a new password. Ensure your new password meets the security requirements listed on the page. After successfully updating your password, you can log into your account. If you need to reset other account information, like your email address or personal details, log in first. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section of your account. In the Profile section, look for the option to update your email address or other personal information. Make the necessary changes and ensure all new information is accurate. After updating, scroll to the bottom and click on Save Changes. Your rewards account information will now be updated. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Hilton Honors. You can find contact options in the Help or Contact Us section of the website. They can provide assistance for any additional account reset needs. End your session by logging out for security purposes if you're on a public or shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.